Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Trading. First, you'll need to create an account and complete the identity verification process, which is crucial for security and compliance. Once verified, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the platform's layout. Understanding the dashboard and where to find key features will make your trading journey much smoother. We'll cover these steps in detail. Next, let's talk about funding your Binance account. You can deposit funds using several convenient methods, including bank transfers or by transferring existing cryptocurrencies. Once your account is funded, you're ready for spot trading. We'll explore how to place market orders for instant execution, limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price, and stop limit orders for managing risk effectively. Moving beyond spot trading, Binance offers advanced features like futures trading, allowing you to trade with leverage for potentially higher returns, though with increased risk. You can also explore staking, a great way to earn passive income by holding certain cryptocurrencies. Plus, we'll look at the powerful charting tools available to help you perform technical analysis and make more informed trading decisions. Finally, let's discuss crucial aspects of risk management and security. Always enable two-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access. Diversifying your portfolio across different assets is also key to mitigating potential losses. Remember, responsible trading involves understanding and managing risks. Before you go, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check out the link in the description for some great deals, including Little Tree's Black Ice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.